Hello everyone, I'm out here today visiting the Houston SPCA. This is their new facility. I've adopted some dogs here in the past. I've adopted two Chihuahuas. One of them, let me just tell you a short story about one of them. His name is Roscoe. I'm going to put a link so you can check out a little bit about Roscoe, his story. It was probably maybe about 7 years ago. I went to the Houston SPCA, this facility, but it was their older facility. This one, they just made it a few years ago. And I was walking through looking at the dogs, and I didn't want to get a big dog, but I wanted a small one, so I was looking at them. And you know, a lot of people are adopting them. Some of the little puppies are so hyper and stuff like that. And like I said, I love animals, so I decided to look for a dog that maybe didn't stand a chance, or he's having a hard time to get adopted. So that's how I came across Roscoe. Roscoe was heartworm positive, and he was in a cage. He was sitting in his little bed. And he had his little toy with him, and I guess people weren't adopting him. He had been in the cage for 3 months, and nobody was adopting him. So I said, you know what? I took him out. They have like a little visiting area where you can see him, and he was all hyper. But the only thing that he did is he marked his territory all in the visitation room. Like, he went to each corner and was peeing, and I'm thinking, oh my God, if I take this dog home, he's going to pee all over the place and stuff like that. So the lady says, no, it's because other dogs have been in here and he's just marking his territory and stuff like that. So I took a chance on Roscoe, and he's still alive to this day. I gave him his heartworm treatment. I had to drop him off at a vet. The SPCA covered the expense. I was kind of worried if he would make it or not, because the heartworm treatment is really, I guess, strenuous on the dog. And he made it. He's still alive. He's still doing good. So I'm just trying to give back to the SPCA. I'm not going to adopt a dog or a puppy today, but I'm going to go inside, pet a couple of dogs, probably make a donation and stuff like that, and just see how this new facility is. Well, that's enough about me. I've told you a little bit about myself. I'm here at the SPCA, so I'm going to go check it out. I want to thank all of you for watching. Thank all of you for subscribing and liking my videos. I do greatly appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Somebody wants to see which dog.
What's up, guys?